We can support that early engagement on incremental basis and support you all the way through your development lifecycle to the point of new product introduction, when you need to then ramp, scale, and support that roadmap as well. So that's the third area of road mapping, which is critical, is what your needs are today and not what your needs are tomorrow, and hopefully not what your needs are in 3 years' time. How can you leverage the funding that you have available to you to meet that product ramp as your product reaches popularity within the market? So it's often very complex balance of your suppliers, incoming components, how many of those you have available to do your development and test, how you want to launch to perhaps a contract manufacturing partner, yet you want to maintain the integrity of the manufacturing equipment itself and keep ownership of that. We're happy to be your third-party partner in that relationship, work with both your contract manufacturer, where the equipment will eventually be located, all the way through the life of that equipment as well. So a very targeted plan of roadmap of automation can support you not only in existing manufacturing scenarios, new product introduction, highly ambiguous and fast-paced environments, but also in your product ramps and a strategic spend plan for the first 3, 6, 9 years of life of the product.